I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue.
Assalamualaikum guys and girls. Now it's 4 p.m. here in Malaysia and I'm just waiting for my flight. It should be at 2 a.m. So I've got like 8 more hours before the departure. But a little bit about this flight is that it's actually going to be a 14 hours trip and I'm not ready for it. But to be honest, I've done a little bit of research. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I've read some articles regarding the situation on what am I supposed to do throughout the whole journey. They told me that I can watch movies there, but then there's like another side of me that came and like, you can't expect yourself to waste your time by watching movies throughout the whole journey. But the most important thing before you start your journey is that you gotta recite your prayers, right? You know, because there's like a famous hadith from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam which stated innamal a'malu binniyat wa innamal likulli imri'in ma nawa, to the end of the hadith, which basically stated that your deeds is based on your intention. So if I'm going on a trip to UK, to London, and my intention is good and I've recited my prayers, inshallah it will be in ibadah throughout the whole journey. 14 hours of ibadah, inshallah. Let's go, bismillah.
I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side like lovers do. I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours to, until I can wait for you. I'll wait for you. 'Cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left. So don't give up on. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes, I'm not going down that easily. So don't give up on me.
Alright, it's day 1 here in UK and I'm just strolling around the city, and my main point is that I'm going to find some dogs because they say that the dogs here are very cute. And not gonna lie, I have watched some dogs here and I really can't keep my hands off of it. So this is my room for 5 days. It's like my sister gave this room to me. It's actually his friend's room. But the most important thing is, in this room we have a special guest. Where is the guest? Ta-da!
I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side like lovers do. I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours to, until I can wait for you. I'll wait for you. 'Cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left. So don't give up on. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes, I'm not going down that easily. So don't give up on me.
So it's the end of day 1 here in London, and today is just one heck of a journey, man. The 17 hours trip is gonna be in my memories forever. If I was given a chance to describe Qatar Airlines in a few words, I would say it is a mashallah and a astaghfirullah airlines. You know why? Because a quick story, as I was hearing the recitation of the Quran from the Qari using the apps in the airplane, so I was listening to the recitation. Then suddenly the stewardess came to me and like, Mister, would you like a Heineken? And I was like, excuse me? Yes, would you like a Heineken? It's on the house, don't worry. We'll give you the Heineken. You want it or not? And I was like, no. Can I have an apple juice instead? And she's like, okay. See, this is the problem. If you are traveling somewhere, you need to have, first of all, the language. You need to understand the language, and second, you need to have the, let's say, the general knowledge. So yeah, Heineken is a beer, and we can't drink it. So that's what I say. The mashallah part is the recitation of the Quran, but the astaghfirullah part is like, yeah, the serving beers. I know it's an international airlines. So now it's 10:30 p.m. here in London, first day. Even it's 10:30 p.m. Look at that. Look at that. 10:30 p.m. here. The morning session is longer than the night session, as I've been told. Day 2, wait, tomorrow, okay? Salam.